Hi guys, this is very quick video that how we can optimize our PC and give the instant performance boost to your Windows 11. How we can do that, we will check out this. And just you have to click start menu. It is pretty much simple settings. Type performance. Click on that. You will have this window. Best performance adjustment. You need only few animations that is required for your Windows 11. Rest of the things only eating your resources, RAM and processor, and that is the reason you are getting the slow speed. So just you need this animated windows when minimizing maximizes, enable peak, show thumbnails, and smooth edges. That's it. Apart from that, you don't need anything, and you will see instant boost to your Windows 11 after changing these settings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep subscribe our channel, and if you didn't push the bell icon, so I request you to push the bell icon so that you can give the notification, because I usually create video on daily basis, so you should check my videos and enhance your knowledge and enhance your PC performance. Thank you.